I'm not going to do much filming today, but I am out in the moose woods, thank God. Brought the snowmobile up, and I'm going to do a quick walkabout. It's almost 2 o'clock, so I want to get back down out of here before dark, but it feels really good to be up here. And there's lots of sign in here. And I just was standing right back there in a moose bed. So, and it was a bull moose bed because he peed. I need to see what that is. Because God, that looks like a shed. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? I didn't bring Lucy today because I don't have it rigged up on the, oh my God, I know it's a shed. If it isn't, I'd be shocked. But I didn't bring Lucy today because I don't have something rigged up for her to stay on the sled safely. Oh my God. I found a shed. I am not 2 minutes into this. I just froze my butt off on the snowmobile getting up here. This is friggin' awesome. Oh yeah, it's so friggin' awesome. Like a friggin' piece of metal. I would have sworn that was a shed. Now I feel like a moron. But there's lots of sign here. So that doesn't mean that there isn't a shed here, because I know there's a freaking shed here. Lots of sign. There's everywhere. My favorite little piece of woods. I always like to check. So, I mean, I seriously haven't, I mean, I'm not even out of sight of the road yet, so haven't seen any rubs, but I'm sure I will see some here in short order. In fact, there's a couple little ones. I gotta fix this camera, a couple little rubs right there. So, dead. But I didn't bring my binoculars, but the camera will do for that. But I'm just gonna make a quick loop down in here. Alright, I'll get back to you if I find something interesting. I got old tracks snowed in here. Fresher tracks over there. And I got a big rub right up through here. I'm gonna go look at it and see if it's done on these tracks here, or the fresh ones. Give us a good idea of when they were rubbing. Kind of looks like it's the old tracks. But the fresh tracks, yeah, it was the old tracks, because it's not on top of the snow. Or is it snow blowing? But he walked up to it. I don't know. You see the shavings there. Not much on the snow. There's a little bit. I don't know if that just from blowing or if he actually was still rubbing. There's an old rub over there. some break-offs there. They've been eaten. I'm just, like I said, just doing a quick loop down through where I know they always seem to hang and rub. But I don't have a lot of time. And it's actually starting to snow. We're supposed to get rain, snow-rain mix tonight, which hopefully is not really much snow for up here. The last 2 years we've been buried in snow, so we haven't been able to be up here till spring thaw. But I'm just going to make a quick loop. Keep going. Maybe I'll stumble onto something. Fresh sign. The bed right there. Bed over there. And last year's rub right there. See how the trees died off, but looks like they did touch it up again. So they might still be packing. Not shed yet, so but they will be dropping. People are finding them already up north. There's fewer moose down this way, but I like to go where I know there's pockets and where they like to hang. So I'm going to keep looking. I always find this is a little flat, and I always find some rubs in here. There's one there, another one over behind it, another one there. There's a big one down there. I can't see it exactly right now. So those beach. Make a loop around these. See if he left us a present. Lost my snowshoe. I don't know if those are snowed-in deer tracks. You can barely see them. Or if those are moose tracks. I don't normally see deer tracks when there's this kind of snow. Most of them are headed south. This is obviously fresh rub here all over the place. Maybe he was thrashing around. So my guess is he's still packing at least one. I'm not giving up. See that one there? No snow disturbed around it. He's been in here for a while. There's tracks all around me here in beds. So I don't know. Might be a cow and calf bed. Over here looks smaller by quite a bit, but not a bad track in it. I'm gonna go down and check out that rub down there. Wasn't planning on doing much today like this, so all I had was a granola bar, so I have the shakes. But I'll survive. I got enough butter to live on anyway. Get down there. Check that rub out. That one's been there a while. Can't even see the tracks. So I'm assuming There's not a boatload of sheds in here yet. I'm gonna work my way out through this thicker stuff and back out to the snowmobile so I can get down out of here before dark. And we'll see what happens. Oh, oops. I'm on my way out and trying to get out of here, but see that down dead tree? The moose are using it to scratch the ticks off. I'm not going to go over there, but they wreak havoc on moose winter ticks. Alright, let's keep going.